I'm not gonna hide it, I'm not gonna lie. I know you can see it. What you got
coming up on today's vlog
next week, so you have to do what you gotta do to take care of your babies. And yeah, you gotta do what you gotta do to take care of your kids. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Today is Sunday, and Rob just made us breakfast. Look how healthy that looks. We are trying to take better care of ourselves, and we're just putting more energy into what we eat. Last night was a tough one because we struggled. We stayed up. We took a nap, and then, you know, when you take a nap, the light is horrible today. So, you know, when you take a nap, it's hard for you to fall asleep when it's time for you to fall asleep. So last night was a struggle for us because we were trying to find sleep, and sleep was just like nowhere in sight. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna go donate plasma today, drop off the children for their mentor program, and just hang out. So good morning, guys. You want to say good morning, Rob?
Good morning.
So dry. So we're contemplating whether or not he needs to donate. I had to change my shirt because the shirt I had on, he made me aware that I wouldn't be able to donate, and I didn't have anything under it, so I had to change my shirt. But he's contemplating whether or not he wants to donate today as well and switch up his days. So if he donates today, he won't be able to donate until Tuesday, in which he had a system where he donated on Monday and Friday because he's already down this way for work, so it'd be easier. But now if he donates today, it would switch up his days to Sunday and Tuesday. I only donate once a week because I'm not driving down here. So once my, you know, my 45 days run out, my high benefits, like, because I'm new, I get more versus him. His first donation is 25, and then his second is 40. But me, I think it's like 50 and something. So we shall see how much we get, because we need to go grocery shopping because for the week, because he doesn't get paid until next week. So you have to do what you gotta do to take care of your babies. And yeah, you gotta do what you gotta do to take care of your kids. So anyways, I just wanted to hop on here and just chit chat with you guys. I don't know why. We had eggs for breakfast because we're working on our diet and stuff. But I'm hungry. I'm legit hungry, and I feel like I need gum. I don't think I'm hydrated, so we shall see. We are here. Where is it? Plasma. Come and take my blood. No, it's not blood. It's your plasma.
No.
So I'm done giving plasma. Hubby's in there now. So we take turns. You want it off?
Yes,
and so yeah, he's taking turns, and I'm with the babies. So we're gonna have a total. I got the 75 today, and he's getting 20. He's getting 25, so that's a total of $100. And then he's getting $15. Sorry, the kids are watching movie on their tablet, and he's getting an extra $15 because the word I was looking for is refer, but recommended works too. He what is it called? Is it about no? He recommended me, so he get $15. For recommending me for my second after my second donation, so he gets his 15. So we have $100 and like $20 for grocery shopping this week. Yeah, we're out here doing the dang thing, you know what I mean? You gotta take care of the babies. You have to take care of the babies, and what better way than to take care of the babies and help, you know. It's for a good cause. It's for a really good cause. It's gonna help create medicine for people that can't really, you know, breathe, and for other different things, you know what I mean? So you kill two birds with one stone. We're feeding our family and while helping someone else. And if you think about it, at the end of the day, the little bit of money that we get versus what the drug companies and whoever else uses the plasma, they're making a killing off of this. It's not like they're doing it for free, or, you know what I mean? They're not doing any of this for free. At the end of the day, the person that we're helping still have to pay out of pocket. You know what I mean? Anyways, I'm gonna hop off of here and just hang out with the babies. Come on, babies. What are you eating? Come this way. Right here.
Daddy. Daddy wants all this.
Oh, this looks good. That's fine. We're at Aldi's.
You hear me?
Yeah. Let's go. Oh, that sushi looks good. I'm hungry. So everything and anything looks really good. You saw the chicken?
No.
Oh, look at that chipotle bean mix. So, I'm hungry. We spent
how much was your? How much you got on your plasma phone?
80 something. I got 75.
Use the right lane
Whoa.
to take the US 15 South ramp, then merge onto US 15 South.
It was 82.69 and I had 80 bucks.
We had a little more than 80.
No, I got 75. No, I had 75 and then I had 8 left over from when I put gas yesterday. So
Merge onto US 15 South, US.
it's
Damn, so
40
you had,
East, then take the US
I had
so
15
you only have
South
like a few cents in there now.
yeah. So we're done. We're getting ready to go pick up the kids and then head home because I have to do laundry and I have to do laundry for him because the kids don't go to school tomorrow, and then I have to start on dinner. The thing is, I don't know what we want for dinner. I didn't pick up anything special. But I'm thankful that we were able to figure out how to get groceries in this week's budget without breaking the bank. So that's a plus, right? That's a plus. Did she say let's go get complimented? Guys, we're home. Excuse me. And then we had the kids clean out the car. Still so tired, drained.
Where's my other shit?
We're about to drink mate right now and eat some hummus and dip and something. Hubby made dinner already. He made some whole grain pasta with a little bit of turkey sausage that we had, and it was so good. My heart is beating so fast because I had to pull hubby up from off the floor, and he's a big man. That's a big man, so my heart is going so fast. You guys want to hear my heartbeat?
I turned on the light, please.
You guys heard that? Oh. So we're gonna go look at the cars that the kids claim they cleaned up.
This is gonna get hard.
Okay. They cleaned I think they said they were cleaning the window.
Yeah, we did.
We should try wiping right on here.
We didn't write on there.
Look.
I think Jason did that. I didn't
Why is the
know.
car so oily?
I don't know, Daddy.
Look, man. Why does it look so nasty?
I don't know.
You definitely need to get a.
Look, they didn't feel it.
Shit.
What kind of
What? The window.
I didn't ask you to do that.
the windex?
Mommy. She said
They asked if they could wipe clean the window, and I said yes. I didn't think they were gonna come and
I'm not asking you to do that.
Okay, well they did. Be appreciative.
Appreciative of what? Look at the windows.
Okay, Rob. You told them to clean the car.
Look at the windows.
Okay. Well, you just gonna have to go pay for a car wash. Okay, so the kids made a
Look out the windows, man.
mess up the windows. But they did a good job on the inside. Right, Rob?
Look out the windows.
I did the front.
Okay. Well, you guys can see the glare. Yep. Give me the mess. Okay, I'll clean it with the Windex. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.
I cleaned the inside.
The tire wash?
Tire wet. Instead of putting soap in here. So that's what that does. This is
It has
wet.
oil.
Yeah. I'm over here putting it in here for nobody.
You're worse than the children.
No, this is I'm rushing in the mate.
Oh, so I'm setting up mate. I'm about to pour the water in the thermos. Got our mate going. Then shake that. That's about it. I'm looking forward to going live tomorrow. Looking forward for live. I miss live. This weekend went by so fast, but it's a 4-day weekend, so I'm loving it. So yeah, I have an interesting topic tomorrow. No, actually, I'm gonna pick topics tonight as soon as I'm done with mate. Anyways, guys, this is it for the video. There's nothing else going on.
Can I get mate?
As always, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button somewhere on the screen and become a sunshine. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.